Hello, good morning again. So, it's been a long time. So, right now, we will be creating a post with a test driven development approach. So, it's very important to test our codes so that we will know where is the part of our software or application that has been broken, especially if you're going to migrate into another server or VPS, or or maybe you just want to check the quality of the codes, and then you can show to your employer or coworker that this system runs flawlessly, lesser bugs. So right now we're going to create a test, which is create post make create post test. So here we have this one, create post test. So basically we're going to close this one and create a new function. So test create post. So first of all, we need to have a post HTTP function, which is post with along way with our data, which is our title, and basically we have a content in our post. So title will be the title. Alright, so the next will be the content. So that's what it is. So we will be expecting an assert status of 200. Okay, so for this assert database has, that will be a table of posts, and oops, maybe we are going to copy this one. Okay, so that's it. Let me copy this class and execute a test with a filter of our class name create post vendor wait vendor okay vendor bin. So here our first error will be expecting 200 but receive 404. So if we want to have another error to see, let's throw an exemption here in our exemption handler and then run the test again and see not found HTTP exemption. So for that kind of error, that means that we don't have a route for that. So creating a route will be simple as here in our web post, and I want to focus first here in our web, but basically in the next tutorial, in the advanced part, we will be going to factoring this part and using our controller. But for now, for the sake of our tutorial, maybe we'll just use the route. Let's focus on the route and create. Let's copy this one for faster ops. Okay, it's not bad at all. So let's run our test again. So basically we have this 200 but received 500. So to solve that one, maybe we use our trait, and yeah, let's run the test again. So see, we have 0 error. So we have 1 test and 2 assertion. If we count our assertion, we have 1 and 2. So why is it we have this kind of error a while ago? Because basically, if we don't use our refresh database, the system cannot execute this one. So if we cannot execute this one and we are expecting a 200 status, So basically we will receive 4 or sometimes 500 for eternal error. So for this we will be experiencing a 500 if we don't use this, because this one is not applicable. So to double check this one, I want to have a post and find one. Maybe we just need to put one because we are expecting only one created post. So for this I want to do this this assert equals the title into this post title. So let's run again and let's see. Okay, post features not found. Why? Because technically we are calling this one and we don't import that one. So use app model and post. So let's run again the test. Okay, so we don't have error anymore. So this type of test means that if the user like for example, if you visualize it, we have a form and then our routes will be this one. If we click submit, it will throw in this route, and after that we have a code here that create a new data or save a new data, and then after that we are expecting an assert of 200 after execute this one, and then we are checking if this data has really been saved in the database. So it really saved, and then after that we are double checking again if that data, if this data title really equal to this one which we see inside the database. So that's it for this one, and then next time we will be digging more in our unit testing using test-driven development, and maybe we will be using Dust for it, and then after that we will be doing a full stack development like Laravel and Vue.js. And if you want to outsource some of your project to us, we accept any small or big project, short or long-term contract. Thank you and have a good day.